For the first bonus step of this project, what we're going to do is create a new material that will actually allow us to have a custom grass color for the grass on our course. So if this green doesn't suit your liking, we can make a new one, and we can make it whatever color we'd like. And we can even have multiple if we want to have a new one for each hole. So what we need to do is enter our resources folder from assets in the project panel here, go to resources and then art. And then inside the art folder, we're going to create a new material. So we're going to right click in the art folder, go to create. And in this long list that appears on the right, we're going to select material. And we're going to just change the name here to grass. And if we have this preview window open over here, we can see that there's just a nice white color. If you don't have it, you might see this instead. Just click on this little bar at the bottom, pull this guy up, and then there is our little preview. So we want to make this a new color, and we can make this whatever color we like. So if we click on this white little box here, that will bring up our color picker. The way this works is there is this big circle surrounding this box. This box is actually where we pick the actual color, but this circle changes what color we're picking from. So as you can see, it's this gradient from white to the color and then white to black. And then we can select like the darkness or lightness of the color in question this way. So I'm going to pick a nice blue because blue is one of my favorite colors. Get a nice light blue like that. And then I'm going to drag this black circle. And you'll see as I drag it across the square, that little preview slowly is turning blue. And before long, I have a nice blue material to work with here. Once I've got my material color selected, all I need to do is go to the hole on which I'd like to apply the material, and I can actually just drag and drop the material right onto the grass part of our course here. You can just drag it to each one individually, and now instead of a green hole, I've got this nice blue hole. And so again, you can just make one, you can apply the one to every hole, or you can make a new color for each hole, that's up to you. But we want to make sure we have at least one material called grass here in our art folder, and we make that a color that we find interesting. Once you've got that done, of course, go ahead and save your scene.